Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your computer class. In today's computer class, we'll move forward in chapter 7, log on to logo. Okay, so in previous classes, I had explained you till the components or the basic terms of logo, and I have explained you about the main screen of logo. So let's recall whatever we had discussed till now. So first, what is logo? Logo is a programming language, stands for logic oriented, graphic oriented. Using logo, we can do calculations, we can draw pictures, and we can print text. Okay, how to install logo, that I have shown you in the video, and I have shared the video, so you all can see again if you want. How to start logo? So for starting logo, first you have to click on the start button and then click on all programs and choose Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, so after, as you will click on this Microsoft Windows logo option, so this kind of screen will appear. You can see here, this is the logo window. This logo screen or logo window is divided into two parts, main screen and commander window. So main screen is the main window where we can draw pictures and we can see the output of our program, and there we will find a triangle which is called a turtle. So a turtle is a small triangular structure on the screen. Okay, and it has two parts, the head part and the tail part. You all can see here. Okay, the upper part of the turtle is called head and the lower part is called the tail. This turtle follows all the instructions given by the user. User means you and me. जो भी प्रोग्राम बनाता है या जो भी प्रोग्राम राइट कर रहा है, तो दिस टर्टल फॉलोज द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ऑल द लोगो commands and instructions. Okay, next part of the logo screen is commander window. This is the smaller area under the main screen. It is used for typing commands. We can also run commands by pressing enter key or run key. Okay, this commander window is further divided into two parts. First is command input box and second is recall list box. So what is command input box? You all can see here the small rectangular box. You all can see command input box. So whatever instruction we want to give, we write in this command input box. Okay, whatever you type in the command input box, you can execute those commands by pressing the enter key or click on the execute button. Many of you were asking about these buttons present on commander window. So this execute or the enter button is used to run the instructions. Okay, run means जो भी instructions आपने दिए हैं वो execute हो जाएंगे and you will be able to see the output. Next part of commander window is the recall list box. What is recall list box? You all can see here this area just above the command input box. You can see recall list box. There you can see all the typed instructions and command. Whatever you will type in command input box, it will be visible in the recall list box. Okay, so it's a gray section that displays the list of all commands that are executed. जो भी commands आप commander window में लिखे command input box में लिखेंगे and you will run those commands, वो you can see those commands in the recall list box. It also displays the message. It also displays the messages which appear as the result. So it also displays the result as well as the list of executed commands. Okay, about turtle I have explained you. Okay, now in logo we use some primitives, means whatever commands or instructions we used are known as primitives. Okay, there is a list of primitives like forward, left, right. Okay, so these primitives or instructions are used to give instructions to the turtle. Okay, and the turtle follows the instruction and it shows us the output. What a program is called? When we write primitive one after another, this set of primitive is known as programs. So means the set of multiple instructions or primitive is called the program. Okay, how to enter logo? how to enter logo commands. So that I will show you practically in the live class. Okay, so revise the topic we have discussed. See you all in the next class. Bye bye.